I'll explain what real-time data is.
He is claiming that the election is rigged and
plural parties.
Plural's vote is added to
This is
NDA.
ridiculous.
Losers,
Elections are being rigged. But we need to understand that many of the political parties take their numbers from the candidates on the ground or their workers on the ground. I don't think that's reflecting in these numbers. These are rock solid numbers at the moment. So for him to say real time we are leading in 124, I don't know where he gets that from.
You see, there is a temptation among the workers also to say, bhai,
Close contest mein nikal aayenge.
Exactly. That's how confident politicians are supposed to be.
I don't think we need to fault anyone for it because they also need to get a feedback. But I think we'll have to do it.
Shobanda, you were talking about whether Nitish can be chief minister if he has less than 50 seats.
Yes.
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 How come?
Because there is a commitment which has been publicly given.
No, but that's the commitment.
And look,
but what is his political credibility if he has, 50 seats and the BJP has 75?
It does not matter. The point is there is an existing BJP, JDU social alliance, and that
I have a point here. So I think it depends on the morals and the principles that Nitish Kumar stands with. Does he think he should claim the chief ministerial seat or not? BJP will never ask for it because BJP has made a public stand that he is our CM face and he will be the one. But it depends on Nitish Kumar how much he wants to be a Kursi Kumar versus his principles.
No, I think that's going too far. See, as Swapanji said about the public commitment, this claim about JDU bringing NDA tally down is not a good claim. JDU is basically facing three problems. One, it is facing the brunt of anti-incumbency. It is facing BJP, ex-BJP leaders in form of LJP. And third, BJP, it also is providing BJP a larger social reach.
I want to add
so
here.
given all these three things.
I want to add here. Sorry about this. 2014 elections were won by Shri Narendra Modi without Nitish Kumar. 2015 Nitish Kumar did not fight with you. 2019 quite clear that there was a tsunami. Maybe Nitish Kumar ji helped very much. 2020 you are pulling him up. I mean, you are definitely the party with the best strike rate. Your A-level chieftains and soldiers, just a minute, your A-level chieftains and soldiers are fighting with the LJP. I mean, you are a political party with a political morality. Maybe a team from the BJP now goes and persuades Mr. Nitish Kumar that notwithstanding a strong anti-incumbency, we have pulled this up. And for the sake of Bihar, the Janta of Bihar is asking for change, but also asking for stability and performance.
Manisha, I think the more important thing is the social...
Sorry about this. I mean, which election did Nitish Kumar deliver for the BJP?
It's the social coalition which Nitish Kumar
and that social coalition, by the way,
the BJP is eyeing,
in Siwan
not
region,
Nitish Kumar.
Okay, I know district by district that in the Siwan region you had the Yadavs with you, you had Shri Chamarji with you, Janakram Chamarji with you. Now losing your own social coalition, the Kushwahas you abandoned in all of Patna, you had a thin but steadily mandalized social coalition at your base. Putting them out because you sacrificed your own seats to be in alliance has also meant that you've turned yourself into a party that is boxed to fight only 50% of the seats and perform as high as you can.
Rahul, one thing is for sure, that even if Nitish Kumar continues as chief minister, the terms of this alliance will change.
Sure.
And it will be the BJP which will be in the driving seat.
That I think is
Nitish Kumar can no longer dictate. And
at this moment,
75% of the money for Bihar comes from central grants and
Let
from...
me tell you what is the theory. The theory is that 2 years down the line, Nitish Kumar will be brought to Delhi and given some ceremonial post and the BJP will get a chief minister of its own. If you tell me that the BJP doesn't want a chief minister of its own after a performance like this at some stage in the next 5 years, I find that very difficult to believe. This is an expansionist party which wants chief ministership.
Which party is not expansionist in
No,
India
nothing
or
wrong.
anywhere in
No,
the
why
world?
am I
You
saying?
can't have your chieftains parked by the side. You
No,
can't
my
have
point is
parked
that
in
out of the
LJP.
national parties, the Congress,
do
for
that.
example, could not dictate terms to a
Sorry about
Tejaswi.
this.
But the BJP at some stage will be in a position to dictate terms to a Nitish
because
Kumar.
of the numbers.
So I take a
BJP
quick
is
break.
by far the
At
strongest.
this moment,
course.
the election intelligence dashboard tells us, ladies and gentlemen, that there are 36 seats where the margin is less than 500 votes. So I've been telling all our pundits here in the studio and to everyone watching, don't reach a sweeping conclusion just yet. It may call for verbal gymnastics later. Just treat it like a T20 match. The other thing that we know now is that in the evening you'll have to make a choice. Do you want to watch the Indian Political League? Do you want to watch the Indian Premier League? Because this match will go on till late in the evening. We'll be back on the other side of a quick break. Stay with us.